Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your electric windows in all of these awesome options on a VW Tiguan. Let's have a seat. And at the driver's seat you can see there are a key, of course, a remote key. And how to open it, push and hold the opening button for, I think, 5 seconds, and then all of your electric windows will open automatically. This is an awesome device setting thing, I think. So that means you can do this interior and, of course, if you're outside. So here you can see I push the button and hold it for 3 or 4 seconds, and all of the electric windows are opened immediately. This is awesome. I think you will like it too. And if you like to close the car, plus close electric windows, push and hold the close button until the electric windows are closed separately and automatically. Good job. This is step number 1, how to act with your electric windows. But there's more I can show you, because this VW Tiguan has more comfort settings inside. Let's dip the ignition on, as you can see. And on the left side, there it is. The driver can operate all the electric windows on this panel. This is the driver's door controls. You can use the front buttons for the front electric windows and the rear buttons for the rear electric windows, of course. Now, let's have a look. Open a window. Press the switch as far as the first stop and hold it until the window has moved to the desired position. But you can do more. Press the switch briefly to the second stop. The window will automatically open all the way. This is awesome. Closing. Pull the switch as far as the first stop and hold it until the window has moved to the desired position. And pull the switch briefly to the second stop. So the window will automatically close all the way. And you can do or perform this in the back side too, as you can see. Here you can see we perform all the same thing. That means there are 2-step button. That means the first stop is to move the electric window to the desired position. And if you're pushing more or pulling more, this is the second step, and this will automatically open all the way or close all the way if you push, of course. So this button is awesome. This is a safety switch. If you push this switch for about 1 second, not for a half second, for 1 second, you can see the LED is on now. And that means that all windows in the rear side are locked. You can see I am using the buttons and the rear doors, and they does not have function. At the front panel you can see I am using and can control the close and opening thing of the windows. This is awesome, isn't it? I like it really much. And you can perform it on the right side as shown on the left side. If you like to get back the power of the rear electric windows back to your passengers, now push and hold the button until the LED is off. And then you can see we can use again the button at the rear seats. And it is the same. Pull the switch as far as the first stop and pull the switch to the second stop. That is awesome, isn't it? I like electronic closing and opening windows. Really nice setup. Really nice. Really nice. I like it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. And see you next time again. Soon.